Hello everyone, welcome to MK Ban. This is actually my very first tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you about Photopea, a free browser-based alternative to Photoshop. Let's dive right in. So first things first, Photopea is completely online. You just go to photopea.com and boom, you are ready to edit. No downloads, no installs. If you've used Photoshop before, you'll notice it's very similar and it's free and lighter. No need to have to sell your kidney to get Photoshop. This is the best alternative drive from. So as you can see, Photopea can access PSD, that's the files from Photoshop, .ain, .xt, .fig for Figma, .sketch, PDF, RAW, or any file at all. All you have to do is just drag and drop from your folder or your machine onto here, and then you will have what you need. So we're going to start by opening our first file or our first image. All you have to do is go to the left corner of the page, left top corner of the page. You see file over there. Click on file, click on new project for a new project, or open to open the image. Right, and today we open an image. Right, and when you open the image, all you have to do is pick an image from your gallery or downloads or whatever, and you would have the image ready to go. So I'm going to pick an image from my gallery, right, and I'm going to leave the exact image I'm going to use for today's practice or today's tutorial at the bottom, so you can see it, you can check it out and download it for yourself to use. So okay, so I have my image here. This is how it looks like on the interface looks like, right? If you've used Photoshop before, you will see that it's exactly like Photoshop when it comes to the layout of the editing page. The crop tool. Now, the crop tool is the best tool for cropping out parts of the image you don't want. Let's say you want the image to be smaller or bigger. The crop tool is the best tool to use. Right, so all you have to do is go to the left side where the tools are, then click on the crop tool, or you press C on your keyboard to get on the crop tool. Then let's say you wanted to make this a little, the sky was too much for us, go down, reduce it into the sky, and click, you press enter, and that's it. We've cropped the image to our liking. Okay, now let's look at one of the tools you'll be using for every edit you'll be doing. This tool is so important, the move tool, right? You can access it by pressing V on the keyboard or going to the left toolbar and clicking on the move tool, right? And it's so important. It helps to use for moving images around. Let's say this is your canvas like this, you want to move around the image and stuff, you want to move images and elements around or layers around, you can be able to do so using the move tool. The text tool lets us add some text. Click the text tool on the far left toolbar. The tool shape is T. Click on it, or you press T on your keyboard to get access to it, and at the top you would see a couple of formats that you can have the text in. You can change the font itself, what type of font you want, the font type. You can change the font format, bold, italic, whatsoever. You can change the size, you can change the color, you can justify it, move the left, move the right, the paragraph of the text, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to add text to the canvas. So that's my text, and as you can see, I added gradient on it and stuff, right? Which I would talk about later in different tutorials. If you want that, let's comment that down in the comment section. And moving to the next thing, which is layers. One of the most important parts of Photopea is layers. Each item, your image, text, or shape gets its own layer. Over on the right, you can see them listed. You can click on the eye icon beside the layers, right? It's right under the layers tab. Click on the right eye icon to hide or show your layer. Drag layers up and down to change the order, and right click to duplicate or delete the layer. Layers basically let you edit non-destructively without messing up the original. When you're done, you want to save your project, go to File, Export As, and choose PNG or JPEG. PNG is great if you want transparent backgrounds. JPEG is best for normal images. So, this is the Save As menu. All you have to do is click Save to save your image. You can adjust the quality, you can change the width or the height of the image. You can also change the name. So I'm going to change my name, Photopea Flyer. Format is PNG. You can also change the format over here and then click Save to save the image. So this is a quick beginner tutorial. We open an image, cropped it, move things around, added text, play with layers, and finally exported our design. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my very first tutorial here on MKBan. If this helped you, please leave a like and subscribe because I'll be sharing more tutorials on designs and tech advice soon. Also, if you have any suggestions for tools and tutorials you want me to try, drop them in the comment section down below and I'll see you there. See you in the next one. Peace.